Yes guys, it's Henry again and welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be talking about how BUMBLE almost got 100% gain at its IPO, and of course how the S&P 500 is doing. And to run things up, we're going to be talking about how my trades are going today. Well, if you're new to this channel and of course you like money, you like forex, you like investing and the stock market and all that stuff, please hit that subscribe button and of course leave the video with a like. Also, if you've got any questions at all, leave them in the comments down below and I'll be sure to respond to your comments. Oh, BUMBLE. So BUMBLE is a dating app, and in case if you don't know, so BUMBLE has actually been around since 2014 and it's almost 10 years now, and today they came out with an IPO. And they started off with about $43, and guess what? They are actually 76% up. So I don't know, the market is not closed yet, it's just noon. So we'll see if he can get up to 100% gain at his IPO. So a lot of companies in the past have actually done this. So it's not new to me that when BUMBLE actually came out, a lot of people are quite interested. There's so many things that would make BUMBLE get to 100% gain at its IPO. The reason is quite obvious. The pandemic, of course, since it happened, dating app has been surging. Tinder, POF, what have you, all these dating apps, Match.com, so many people are going on these dating websites and dating apps because, of course, you can't go to the club again, you can't go to the park. You know, even if you go to the park, you have to be socially distanced. You can't just walk up to a stranger and say hello and all that stuff again. So, of course, everybody is getting down to the dating apps and the dating websites. So I wasn't quite surprised when I saw it because I was like, wow, it's quite interesting. Now, what is my opinion? Will I still get into BUMBLE right now? Of course I will. The reason why is even with the vaccine coming out and all that, it would take us at least another 6 months to a year before everybody get like the recommended 2 doses of the vaccine and everything kind of get back to normal. Like we open everything up again and we are going out and living our life normally again. But for the time being, BUMBLE is just going to keep going up. Right now it's at like $75. So we'll see how it does for the next couple of days and next week and the weeks after. So the S&P 500 and of course the market health in general, it's just consolidating. It's fine. Like I said yesterday in my video, is that it's normal. It's not strange. The market doesn't just go up. It's like a zigzag, you know. You've got to take breaks. You've got to take rests and all that stuff. Of course, the overall direction might be upwards, but it's got to take breaks. So right now, it's just consolidating, which is all right. And to run things up, we're going to talk about my trades. So as you can see right here, oh my days. Wow, this is absolutely crazy. I've taken this trade, GU, which has blessed me for the past couple of days. So this happens a lot of times, you know, you win some, you lose some, it's all right. And currently, this is the position I'm in right now, and it's absolutely crazy. So let me show you something. Where's the chart? Go to the chart. And I can see an institutional candle, somewhat of an institutional candle here, but there's so much imbalance. There's so much imbalance with this massive candle that I know it's got to come back and fill it. But the thing that is, it might take a couple of days. It might not take right away. I think this trade, I'm going to have to be in it for a couple of days, maybe up to next week. It doesn't matter. It's fine. I'll hold it. And another thing, again, this is just, I don't know. It's absolutely stupid. So it's kind of like an institutional candle right here. But again, there's so much imbalance all the way down here that I'm just going to have to be patient with this. For GBP USD, what happened to me, I entered a short, it hit my stop loss, and it started going down. So I was a bit too, let's just call it, I was a bit too ambitious. So usually I let my stop, I give quite a bit of room for my stops, so it has time to play. It literally hit my stop, and I should have not, oh my days. I'm kind of kicking myself back now, but it's all right. One last thing is I missed this trade. I missed this, literally, I missed this. It's about 80 pips, this whole move. I missed it. I couldn't believe it. When I saw it, I wanted to like punch myself, but it's all right. Guess what? The market always creates an opportunity. So a lot of people might be wondering, oh, you're losing trades and you're still trading and this and that. It's fine. Stephen Curry isn't one of the greatest of all when it comes to shooting in the NBA, by just going to his corner and just saying, "Oh, I can't shoot anymore because I missed this free, or because I couldn't dunk, or because I missed this simple layup." No, he keeps shooting. LeBron keeps shooting. Messi keeps shooting. Ronaldo keeps shooting. Drogba keeps shooting. Nobody stops. You can't just because of one. We know. The thing is, we know. I know for a fact that my strategy works. It's just sometimes you are going to have to take what the market gives you, which means the market might take a little from you and give you some. It will take some from you, it will give you some. This is how the market is here. When the market gives you 10, it's likely to take 2 to 3 from you. So the problem with that is there's no particular order that happens, okay? So it might even take 4 from you and give you 10, which means in all you're gaining 6 at the end of the day. So, and there's no particular order. There's been some times where I start trading and I lose 3 trades in a row. It's fine. I don't get scared or anything as such because I believe and I know the strategy do work. So you just got to keep believing even if you're losing. The thing is, first thing, your strategy have to be working. And the second thing is, what time are you using the strategy? Because you can have a strategy that wins 90% of the time, but if you use it at the wrong time, you can barely even get 2 to 3% win from that strategy. So those are the 2 most important things. And of course, we can go on to further stuff like managing a trade, stop losses, all that. It's all right. But those are the 2 main things: is finding a good strategy and knowing what time those strategy actually work. So for this trade, I'm going to hold. Something tells me that I'm going to have to hold over the weekend, which I usually don't. But for the sake of this, I've got my trade management and everything sorted. So I guess I'm just going to have to hold and, see how it goes. Hopefully we can come out in profit. This happens a lot of times. You get in profit, draw down, profit, draw down, profit, draw down, and finally hit your profit. And I've had trades like that. There was a time when I caught 200 pips. Oh my days. When I started off, I immediately got into a drawdown when I entered the trade, and you go into a profit a little bit, drawdown, profit a little bit, draw down a little bit, and then just kept dropping. And yeah, I caught 278 pips. That took about 2 days. So that happens in the market. I'm patient. I'll take what the market gives to me. I'm loyal to the market. Whatever the market gives to me, I'll take. Anyways, guys, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, if you're new, like I said before, hit that subscribe button. And of course, you got to leave the video with a like. Leave your comments down below if you've got any questions at all, and I'll be so glad and happy to respond to your comments. Well, that's it, guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.